Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ channel, and this is a story time. I hope you are already following all the stories that we are doing in ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ. If not, I request you to watch this playlist and enjoy the stories. So ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಯಾವುದು? Today's story is ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಗು. Mobile, we already know, magu is a baby and a child. So there is a conversation between the baby and the child. Baby and the mobile. So what is the conversation? Let's start. Mobile. The mobile will say, "Hey magu, ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ, hey baby, ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ few times, ನೀನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. You should use me little less. ಬಳಸಬೇಕು is a use it. Okay, should use. Less is ಕಡಿಮೆ. So you should use little less. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಮಗು. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ ಆಡಲು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಲು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಆದರೆ ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ದ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್. ಆಟ ಆಡಲು, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಲು, ಟು ವಾಚ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಐ ಲವ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್. ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ನನಗೆ. ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ತುಂಬ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಅದು ಸರಿ, ಅದು ಓಕೆ. ಆದರೆ ಬಟ್ ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಇರುತ್ತೀಯ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೊಬೈಲ್. ನೀನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದನ್ನೇ ಮರೆತಿದ್ದೀಯ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫರ್ಗಟನ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಔಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಹೊರಗೆ ಇಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದು ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಮರೆತಿದ್ದೀಯ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫರ್ಗಟನ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್. ಅದು ತಪ್ಪ? ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಮೊಬೈಲ್. ಹೌದು ಮಗು. ಎಸ್ ಬೇಬಿ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಹೊರಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ನಿನ್ನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್. ಅದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವೂ ಹೌದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ಮೋಜು ಸಹ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅ ಫನ್. So, ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ story. I hope you understood the stories, and do let me know in the comment section which are the new words that you learned from the story. Share this story with your friends and enjoy the story time. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more story ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.